Hi friends, good morning. Boker Tov. It's Thursday. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? Good morning everyone, Boker Tov. So we are going to do the months of the year. Let's see. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months of the year. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We ended in December before we went on winter break. Now we're in January, starting all over from the beginning at number 1. So it's the month of January. What season is it, friends? If you said winter, you are right. It's getting cold outside, and we've already seen snow once and maybe a little bit more. So it is definitely the season of winter. We're going to do our Days of the Week song. Days of the Week, Days of the Week, Days of the Week, Days of the Week, Days of the Week. Let's see. Gotta go down. Boink, boink. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Thursday. That means tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow is Shabbat. Don't forget to join us at 9:15 tomorrow morning for Shabbat with Rabbi Michael. Moms and dads, check your emails. Miss Val sent out an email for all of us. So don't forget. And we're going to look outside. What does the weather look like today? At my house, it's sunny. I see the sun shining a lot today. It's also windy. I can see the branches outside my window blowing. It's actually windy. And let me see. I'm going to open up my... I opened up my window there. I don't know if you can see the sunshine is shining in. So I opened up my window so you can see the sunshine. So it's definitely sunny today. All right, and we're going to count on our calendar. We're going to do, it's the month of January. We're going to count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's today? Number 7. Today is definitely number 7. It's the 7th day of January. It's the Jewish month of Tevet. The new year is 2021, but the year in Israel is 5781. So we changed our year. So the year in Israel is 5781. And it's the Jewish month of Tevet. Alrighty. And then my friends that were with me yesterday, we talked about, let me see, let me write it here for you. I had to rewrite it because I got a little bit messy. Oh, got some marker on my finger. Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. A lot of shapes have sides, and a lot of shapes have vertices, corners. Now we talked about, I'll do a quick review what we talked about yesterday, and these were some of the shapes we talked about. We talked about a rhombus. We like to do this a lot. We like to review what we talked about the day before. We talked about a rectangle, upside down, a circle, a triangle, a star, an octagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, an octagon, a diamond, a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, a heart, a square, a hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and an oval. Now, we also talked about 3-dimensional shapes. So we got to see things like a sphere, which is kind of like a ball that you would play with, a pyramid, which is like a triangle block, but it's bigger. It's like the top of a triangle, but it's like full. Like the pyramids in Egypt. We'll talk about those at Passover. A cone. A cone is like what you can put ice cream in. It holds something inside. A cube, which is also a square block that you can hold. It's like, it's not flat. And a cylinder, which is like a toilet paper roll that we used over here for our counting game. So what we talked about with 3D shapes is that you can put things inside of them because they're actually a full shape. They're not flat like these shapes. They're actually full, so you can put things inside of them. So that was what made those three-dimensional, because they're a full shape, where these are just one-dimensional. They're just flat. They're just one-dimensional. And we also talked about shapes that have sides and vertices. Now, an oval is a continuous line. It goes completely around, so it has no sides or no vertices. It doesn't have corners. A vertice would be a corner, so it doesn't have any corner. But a shape like a square would have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, 4 corners. So that's the difference between shapes that have vertices and shapes that don't. So today, actually, that was our review from yesterday. Today, we're actually talking about numbers again. We're talking about numbers and counting. If you saw my email this morning, moms and dads, you got to see that we're doing some simple addition and subtraction, but numbers, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. So we're talking about numbers. You can also practice writing your numbers in your journal like we've done before, where we did this for, there's some number writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can go up to 10. You can go up to 20, friends. Whatever you can do. You can put dots next to the numbers, so you can count out how many, so you know the number and the numerical value that goes with the number, or how much goes with the number. You can write out the words for the numbers. You can tell we did this during Hanukkah, but you can write out the words for the numbers. You can always do it again. Have friends, you can go around your house and your parents can help you. You can count things. Like, for example, I have 3 candles. So I can count 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. But then I can also write the number for the 3 candles. So if you count 3 candles, you can have your moms and dads write the number for you. That would be the number 3. That would go with the 3 candles. 3, the number 3. So you can do that. You can go around your house and count things that you have the same of, and have your moms and dads help you write out the number for that, so you know the number that goes with the number of things that you counted. So that's really cool. We also, I don't know if you saw on my email that I sent out, but if you guys want, your moms and dads can help make this for you. I used popsicle sticks, and they have numbers on both sides up to 20. One side has up to 10, one side. But if you notice, there's a number missing on each one. So you would have to find, and I made clothespins with numbers on them. Now, if you don't have popsicle sticks, you can always use a piece of paper. I did a piece of paper, and I had the number on the piece of paper, and you can clothespins. You can get at the dollar store really cheap, or if you have any at your house, you can just write little numbers on them. That doesn't make them unusable. You can still use them, just have numbers on them. But so I had a bunch of popsicle sticks that I made, or like you said, like I said, the paper, and then you would go through, and you can put all the popsicle sticks on the table for your child, and your child would have to go through and find. So for example, this paper has the number 3 missing, right? 1, 2, there's a blank, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number 3 is missing. So then we would have to look down at our clothespins. Is that the number 3? Nope, that's the number 5. Is this the number 3? Nope, that's the number 16. Is this the number 3? Close, it's number 4. So it would be this one. This one would be the number 3, and you would clip it, which is also a great fine motor skill for your children, for friends. When you go to do this, you can clip this and you can clip it right on the number 3. So friends, when you do that, you're not only practicing your fine motor skills, which are awesome to work on, so we can cut and do other fine motor stuff, but you're also doing number recognition because you had to find the number 3 that went with that. So this is a great game that you can do for number recognition. I went up to number 20 for the children. I'm going to bring this into school and let the kids use it at school. You can go up to whatever number you start with, going up to 20. You can go up further, friends, when you're ready. So let's see here. Miss Rachel also has, don't forget about our addition and subtraction game. If you didn't make this, you can always make this with your parents. This is really great. It's just a box, 2 toilet paper rolls. Actually, I used a paper towel roll and cut it in half. I added an addition sign, and you can add in, like, for example, 1, 2, 3 plus 1 equals, and then you would count how many are in the bottom. And that would be, let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So it's like their own little calculator. I just used erasers. You can get these at the dollar store too. They're great. You can use pasta. You can use whatever you have at your house. Buttons, whatever you have, you can use. It's great. Alrighty. So my friends, I hope you have a great day today. I'm going to sing the Shalom Haverim song. Have a wonderful day. Do a lot of counting, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends. Shalom Haverim. Shalom Haverim. Shalom. Shalom. Leitraut. Leitraut. Shalom. Shalom. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you tomorrow.